At WJC, we committed to supporting schools, colleges and learners as they prepare for this summer's exams. We understand that COVID has an impact on teaching and learning, and for many learners this will be the first time they've sat exams. Learners always come first for us, and it's important that they're able to show what they know, understand and can do. I want to reassure you that we've put in place a package of measures that account for lost teaching and learning, and that this year's exams will be balanced and fair. To support learners, we've already put in place a range of adaptations. These were shared with schools, colleges and teachers prior to the summer break to allow them to plan effectively. Adaptations have included reduced assessment content, reduced NEA requirements and optional questions for some qualifications. For other subjects, where we couldn't provide significant changes, we have provided advanced information to our learners to focus on their revision. We're proud to be sharing our knowledge and expertise with partners in the education community, including Welsh Government, ESCOL, Careers Wales and Qualifications Wales, as we embark upon this Power Up campaign. Throughout the campaign, learners will be able to access a range of resources that will help them through the process and into the next stage of their life. Learners can also access a wide range of revision resources, including exam walkthroughs, knowledge organisers and blended learning resources, which can be accessed via the WJC Resources website or gov.wales/powerup. Our student support pages are packed with useful tips, information and wellbeing guidance. If you're a teacher or work in a school or college, we are here to support you. Please do get in touch. I wish you all the very best and pob luck.